Welcome back, travelers. In today's adventure, we traveled to Kings Island in Mason, Ohio to watch their drone show and fireworks show. This show happens at 10 o'clock and is behind and to the left and right of the Eiffel Tower, and lights are used on the Eiffel Tower. Come along with us as we watch the drone show. This show is only about 5 minutes long.
Coffee stain on my old passport, smells like stories I can't tell.
Roll it back, chasing through the terminal, shoes untied, you're laughing hard. We trade seats for window magic, the clouds stack up like a postcard.
We got a ticket to every road, every ride, every day. Hands up high, let the world spin wide. I'm a runaway heart, you're a fearless smile. From the gate to the gate to the breaking door. Love feels like an amusement
As you step through the gates, something magical happens. It's not just the rides, the thrills, or the lights. It's that feeling deep inside that says you're exactly where you're meant to be. With every laugh, every climb, every drop, memories are made, and adventure becomes tradition. Tonight we celebrate the heart-pounding, joy-filled, sky-reaching magic of a place that you bring to life at Kings Island. This time, and every time.
Still wasn't here and the rush of your friends. Sounds of joy and colors so bright. Stars rushing past on the racer tonight. Down the train, pull up the beach, keeps pulling us back. Makes you calling time and again. Wishing these days never came to an end. It's more than a place, it's more than a name. It's a feeling inside that will always remain. Don't have to rush, we can just take it slow. As you ride that line between hold on and let go. You bring the laughter, we bring the ride. Seeking adventure is always our guide. Memories are made here when we all play here. The facts cannot be denied. You bring the spark, we bring the cheer. Time after time and year after year. We run, we race, we laugh, we learn, and together it always gets better every time. Now that we're standing in place, family and friends, time on our hands, follow the laughter, the sound of the day, finding the thrill every step of the way. That's it, celebrate, never get it. I'm finding stage proud, worth it to go in every way. Flying so high, let's be stick to the first goal, everybody. More than a place, it's more than a game. It's a feeling inside that will always remain. No need to rush, let the moment unfold. As you ride that line, you see home back in people. You bring the wonder, we bring the ride. Seeking adventure is always our guide. Memories are made here when we all play here. The facts cannot be denied. You bring the spark, we bring the cheer. Time after time and year after year. We run, we race, we laugh, we learn, and together it always gets better every time.
Every visit, every laugh, every shared thrill has helped make Kings Island more than just a park. Together, we turn moments into memories and memories into traditions. Whether it's your first visit or your 100th, you are the heart of the magic we strive to create. We celebrate you and we thank you. Here's to the memories we've made together and the ones still to come.
We climb, we dive, we twist, we soar. laughter and cheer. The ride never ends. It's just holding us back here. This much is clear. You bring the ocean, we bring the ride. Seeking adventure is always our guide. Memories are made here when we all play here. The facts cannot be denied. You bring the fun, we bring the cheer. Time after time, year after year. We run, we race, we laugh, we climb together. We always get better. Memories are every time. We're amazing together, raging apart. You are the reason. We are the one. We can fly higher.
Here it goes. It's starting, Malia.
As you step through the gates, something magical happens. It's not just the rides, the thrills, or the lights. It's that feeling deep inside that says you're exactly where you're meant to be. With every laugh, every climb, every drop, memories are made, and adventure becomes tradition. Tonight we celebrate the heart-pounding, joy-filled, sky-reaching magic of a place that you bring to life at Kings Island. This time, and every time.
Step on the gates, buzz in the air and the rush of your friends. Sounds of joy come so high. Start rushing past on the race of tonight. Follow these kids always back. Bet you call in time again. Wishing these days never came to an end. It's more than a place, it's more than a thing. It's a feeling inside that will always remain. Don't have to rush, we can just take it slow. As we ride at night between hold on and let you bring the wonder, we bring the ride. Seeking adventure, always our guide. Memories are made here when we all play here. The facts cannot be denied. You bring the spark, we bring the cheer. Time after time, year after year. We run, we race, we laugh, we climb together. We always get better every time. Finding the thrill every step of the way. I've been subject to the chaos. Invites here to rock, into every way. Like a more than a place, more than a inside I will always play. Don't need to rush the moment of motion. As you ride the line, you see all back in me. Seeking adventure, going.
That concludes the fun adventures, travelers. Until our next adventure, like, subscribe, and ring the bell notification to be notified about our future uploads. Thank you for watching.